installing the Eve server component. Now, let's start installing Eve. But first, before running the setup program, make sure all the other programs are shut down. By the way, and this is important, if you have a virus checker installed, you should temporarily turn it off for the duration of the setup, since it may interfere with the process. And also note that you need to be logged into your PC as a full Windows administrator to install the server component. This is only while installing. You don't need to be an administrator to run Eve. Do be aware that the setup process may take 20 minutes to complete, and a reboot may be necessary. When you run the setup program, first the files from the eve.exe download will be extracted by your PC. Then an install shield will guide you through the install of Eve. This may take a few minutes. The first thing you need to do is decide which computer to install the server component on. If you want to install it on the computer you're currently using, click on the Install Eve Server button and then follow the on-screen instructions. The setup program will check your computer for shared components that might already be installed. For example, common files from Microsoft that might already be present on your computer. If it finds you do not have them, it will install these prerequisites for you. The prerequisites include Microsoft SQL Server Express and Microsoft .NET Framework 2.0. The prerequisites are mandatory, and you'll need to install them if you want to use Eve. The install shield will ask if you want to complete the install of EveDB. Click Next. Once all the prerequisites are in place, the setup will install the Eve-specific components. Eve Database Utilities. That's a program that administrators can use to back up the database and perform other system tasks. And 2 Eve databases. The live Eve database that you'll use on a day-to-day basis, and a second database called Eve Training that contains preloaded test data that you can use for staff training and familiarization with the program. The Install Shield Wizard Complete window will appear. Click Finish. We'll now move on, in the next video, to installing the Eve client component.